This is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. I want to show you how to cut an avocado. I make guacamole so much, and I have found quick and easy ways. So I just cut around the seed and turn it. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so perfect. And then to take the seed out of the avocado, all you gotta do is just push it. Push it out. And that's how I take it out. Okay, so that's how you take it out. Now, the extended version. I'm gonna make some guac. Look, this is just so cool. I seen it somewhere a long time ago and I've been doing it. All right, and then when I scoop it out, it's already chunked up. It's so easy to make guac. So I'm gonna make some guac real quick. Look, I got this pink Himalayan sea salt. I just put a little bit on this avocado before I scoop it out. So this is my little quick and easy, fast avocado bowl. I use this little bowl for everything. There you go. Hey, the other thing is, I remember at one time, I didn't know what people were. I seen people feeling on the avocados and I didn't know what they were looking for. So let me tell you, girl. If they're hard, they're very ripe, and so you can't make guac out of them immediately. But if you're not going to use it for a couple days, then you want them hard, because they are so fresh and ripe. They will go bad so fast. They will really get too soft. But even when they get soft, you can still use them. But sometimes I like a firm slice of avocado with my chili. I like avocado toast. And guacamole, I want it to be really, really soft. I want it to be soft. My avocado toast, I want it to be a little firm. And for my super salad, I kind of want it even firmer. See, for all general purposes, it's done. Okay, so this is my quick and easy hack, secret. Listen, I make guacamole all the time, and I just tried this one time, and this is so good. Just when I cut up the avocado and just put this in, mix it in, but I still want a little, see, I think this is a lot for one avocado. And they have a spicy one, and I like that one too. Cause honey, Big Daddy likes spicy stuff. Alright, so see, like, that's cool. That was just enough in there for me. I want to put a little garlic. You know, I just can't leave anything just be. But I'm telling you, that little seasoning, I was real surprised. It's tasty. The lime just set it off. If you don't squeeze fresh lime in your guac, you ain't made it right. You ain't made it yet. You gotta have fresh lime in it. See, I'm gonna put this in one of these bowls. And I like cilantro. So this is cilantro in it. All right. And I squeezed the lime before I cut it, so it wouldn't be so hard. Man, this lime is fire on here, man. It does something to it. I've tasted it with and without. Now see, this is a part of this charcuterie board, but I would serve this guac just like this. I might put it on the table with a bowl of chips. I like housewares and stuff that you can do use it more than one way. There it is. And that's the no tomatoes version. You know, you can always add pico or salsa if you like tomatoes in it. And I like tomatoes in mine sometimes. And sometimes I just like it just like this. The guac was truly the highlight of this board. It was beautiful and tasty. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.